So we are going to start a lesson number 4, division. Now, what do you mean by division? Can you heard this word anywhere? Yes, division means divide. Each group have the same number of things. It is called a division. Okay. Now, here one definition is given on division. What I will told you? Sharing equally. Whatever things you share equally. And putting into equal groups. This both lead to division. Okay. Now, multiplication and division are related. Every multiplication fact has a corresponding division fact. We can use one to find the other. Can you see here? Multiplication and division are related to each other. How it is related? See. One example is given. 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12. 4 3s are 12. So, when you divide this 12 with any of this number, it is called a division. So, 12 divided by 4, your answer should be 3. Okay. Now, here one example is given of the long division. Yes. So 305 divided by 4. What will be the answer? We will find now. Now here they will given in the coloring numbers. They are given the numbers in colors. Okay. So whenever you divide something, and this is called a divisor. Okay, this greatest number is called a dividend. This greatest number is called a dividend. Small number is called a divisor, and whatever answer is coming, it is called a quotient, and remaining number is called a remainder. Clear? Yes. Now, whenever divisor is given and you confused that how we will doing this division, so first you have to write the table of this number. Okay, so it is easy for you. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. Okay. Now, can you see here? Divisor is the greatest number and dividend first number is smallest. So whenever this number is greatest and this first number is smallest, what you have to do? You have to take this first two numbers. Okay. So we are going to take this two numbers, 30. Okay. Now here we will write a table till only 5th. 4 5 is 20. So we have to write ahead also, forward also. So after 4 5 are 4 6 are 24, 4 7 are 28, and 4 8 are 32. Now can you see here it is 30 and here 32. So which number we have to take? A smaller number, smaller than the 30. So we are going to take 28. When it is coming, 7s are. So 4 7s are 28. 30 minus 28. So after 28 it is 29 and 30. 2 is remaining. So we will write 2. And next number write with the 2. Now 25. Again you have to see this table. 25 is coming? No. Smaller than 25 it is 24. When it is coming, 6 are. So 4 6 are 24. 5 minus 4 is 1 and 2 minus 2 it is 0. So remainder is 1. Now here you have to check your division also. So how to check your division? Now what you have to do? You have to take these two numbers, divisor and quotient. You have to multiply these two numbers. Okay, divisor and quotient you have to multiply. whatever answer is coming, you have to add this remainder in the answer. So what is the quotient? 76. What is the divisor? 4. So 4 6 are 24. So 4 is here and 2 is on the carry. Now 4 7s are 28. 28 plus 2, 29 and 30. So 30 and add this remainder 1. So 4 plus 1 it is 5, 0 as it is, and 3. So can you see your dividend is same. So your answer is checked and it is right also. This way you have to check your division. Okay. Same way you have to solve these two questions. Now I will show you one example of this 45 divided by 3. So first we have to divide this 45 divided by 3. What you have to do, you have to write this table. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. Now this is smaller and this is greatest. So of course we have to take one number only. So 4 is coming? No. Which is smaller than 4? 3. So we will take 3 1s are 3 minus 4 minus 3 it is 1. Next number is coming down. Now can you see 15 is coming in 3's table? Yes. 3 5s are 15. So this way you have to divide the sum. Now what you have to do, check your answer. So how to check your answer? You have to take this 2 number for the multiply and add the remainder. So 15 3s are 3 5s are 15, 1 carry, 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4, 45. 45 is coming because remainder is 0, so no need to plus. Okay. Yes. Same way you have to do this B1. This B1 is your practice question, so you have to solve this. Now C1 I will show you. 208 divide by 8. Now 208 divide by 8. Now what I told you, that whenever this number is greatest and this number is smallest, so you have to take the two numbers. Yes, first what we have to write? The table of 8. Now can you see 20? 20 is coming here? No. Which smaller number than 20? It is 16. So we are taking 8 2s are 16. And why we write 2 on the second number? Because we are taking two numbers, so we cannot write this 2 on the first number. So 8 2s are 16. Now after 16 you have to count 8. 16 after 16, 17 18 19 and 20. How many remaining? 1 2 3 4. So write it 4. Next number, take it down. 48. Now check again the table of 8. 48 is coming? Yes. Where it is? 8 6 are 48. So 8 6 are 48. Same way you have to check the answer, that 26 multiply by 8. 8 6 are 48. 4 will be carry. 8 to the 16, 17 18 19 20. 20 it is coming? Yes, it is coming. Okay.